cheese. And Holland, just a very small country, yeah, but on the world list, we are the 4th largest cheese production countries, producing 800 million kilograms of cheese in 1 year. And the wood is still very wet, so we need to dry the shoe. We slowly dry it 4 weeks in the wind, never in the sun, because if you dry it in the sun, it dries too fast and then
Salo ended up here in Camp Westerbork, but to make the story a little bit more complicated, in that time Camp Westerbork wasn't a transit camp yet. Nazis were not in charge yet. In that period,
Write yourself, you can't know how wonderful it is. I always used to bemoan the fact that I couldn't draw, but now I'm overjoyed that at least I can write. And if I don't have the talent to write books or newspaper articles, I can always write for myself.